Hi, I'm Kevin Donnelly with my new album, Sounds of Ireland. Oh, if you close your eyes and listen to this album, you'll swear you're right back in the heart of old Donegal, with songs like
There's a Catholic round the corner with a loaded 45. You better keep your head down if you want to stay alive.
And who can forget
Someone shut off me shillelagh.
and my personal favorite,
Landmines and leprechauns never get along. First you see a leprechaun and he is gone.
and of course you'll get my current hint, Mrs. Thatcher Snatcher.
Oh, Mrs. Thatcher Snatcher is always on display. There's no nicer way to put it until she puts it away.
That's right, Sounds of Ireland, an album of songs that will rip your heart out. It's a treasure the whole family will enjoy. And long-playing records, 8-track, cassette, or videotapes, films, or Edison rolls. Send $12.95 now to IRA Records. There's an explosion of song just waiting for you.
Oh, Danny boy, the pipe bomb, duck!
Order today.